Google has crawled your pages but decided not to index it. So today in this video, we will be talking about this particular issue and how you can resolve this on your website. This is a project that I'm working on currently, and I found these issues on this website recently. So there are almost 7 pages that are affecting on this site. So here's I'm planning to fix this. So I have opened some articles here which are currently in this report, and we will do the case study together in order to find what are the issues and how we can resolve it. Before that, let's first see what is Yoast take on it. So here's the article I've found from Yoast. So it covers this issue and found. So Google is restricting its indexing priorities, and now it is focusing for originality, value, and quality. So if hundreds of articles already talked about your particular content in the article, then Google might not consider it. And if you don't provide actual value to the readers, then that is the case. Then you need to maintain the quality with good structure and readability. This is your stake. And now in the AI era, we are going to figure out what is ChatGPT has to take. These are not just random articles. I have fixed that with the contain the H2, the headlines, the internal linking, the tables as well. So these are well written articles. If you here, I have added much more information out there, the tables, the internal linking, but still Google has decided to not index these pages. So we are going to figure out this today. So I have pasted these articles in the chat GPT, and with this prompt, as a 10-year SEO plus Geo AU specialist, tell me what are the reasons these crawled currently not indexed, these issues are occurring, and how can we resolve it. So you can use this prompt along with your articles and find out what are the real issues, and then we can take it from there. So let's see what ChatGPT has to say about this. These pages are not suffering from a technical indexing problem. These are suffering from quality and differentiation problems. Although this line could be a lie because it cannot find out whether they are technically indexing or not. For that, you can use a different tool. I will talk about it later. So this is the area, and it gave the overall score here. Search intent 7 out of 10, content depth, originality 3 out of 10, EAT 4 out of 10, information gain 2, 6, 5, 4. So here you can directly see what is the issue occurring. As we have earlier saw Yoast take on it, that was originality, quality, and the EAT. So it says the biggest problem, there is almost zero information, original information. Air ducts help circulate air, dirty contain erosions, replace filters, clean condenser curl. Google has indexed millions of pages saying exactly this. Biggest problem too, no first-hand experience. Google love pages that sound they were written by technicians. And instead I see paragraphs, air ducts, indoor air quality. So these are generic statements. So we need to see how we can resolve it. I will tell you. So it is giving an example. If instead during spring in Houston we frequently find evaporator coils clogged with oak pollen. Last year nearly 40% of emergency calls we attended involved neglected maintenance that could have been prevented due to a spring tune-up. Now Google sees real experience, real expertise, and real EAT. So here you need to do. What I am figuring out here is whenever I am creating a new article, need to take the technician take in it. What you can do, you can have an interview with the technician. You can prepare a bunch of questions and ask him what is its take on this issue, and then you can integrate those real insights into your article, and that will be loved by Google. Third problem here is weak search intent and satisfaction. This is the strongest article, but it still misses what searchers want. Someone searching for index indoor air quality and duct cleaning usually asks, should I clean ducts? Does EPA recommend it? EPA is a government body that suggests different things regarding home services. Can ducts make you sick? Almost 40% of the article explains. So here it is talking about this particular article. 40% of the article is covering what indoor air quality is. Google already knows this. The article spends too much time educating instead of solving. So you need to complete this. So for this, you need to do a proper research and find answers to these questions. You can directly search on Google and find these. Second article, commercial HVAC maintenance checklist. This is the weakest page. The keyword itself is commercial HVAC maintenance checklist, but the article is mostly paragraphs. People searching this keyword usually want printable checklist, downloadable PDF, Excel checklist, maintenance calendar, inspection form, preventive maintenance schedule. Instead, they get large paragraphs. Google knows already this. So you need to make sure you add real value into the article by including all these pointers. For this particular article, the commercial HVAC maintenance checklist, I will show you a point how you can do that otherwise as well. So you need to take this topic and search on Google directly. So I've searched this article here and added Houston for location relevance. And here you can directly go to the exact competitors that Google is citing on AI overviews and find out what they are doing. So let's see. So it starts with a internal link, start a free trial of Appnet. Then it explains different building size, climate, equipment age, what is included in maintenance checklist, monthly versus quarterly versus annual task. So it is a information backed article. Then it presents an infographic where it shows was people would to copy and paste this. People would to capture the screenshot and keep it in their notes whenever they want to do that following task. Spring versus winter. So these are the templates. It provides multiple templates, and that is why Google is preferring this article over our current one, because it has all the thing Google wants to make it unique and helpful for readers. So this is another article that I'm figuring out, and they add an external link to a government body. This is a PDF, so they are including all these things in order to make the article rich. So you can go through this process for your particular article and find out exactly what your article needs in order to make it worthy for Google. Similarly, I've done this for all the articles and asked it to produce a report that I can use in order to fix my articles. Then here is the report. It tells originality is missing, information gain is low, that we have figured out already from the commercial maintenance checklist article. Eat signals. So I've told you how you can get the expert signals by interviewing the technician. Likelihood of causing crawled currently not indexed high. So it also tells the recommended actions that you can take. So with this process, you can directly go to ChatGPT, paste your article and ask it what are the issues, and you can do that. Another thing I mentioned, how you can find if there are any technical issues. For that, we will use this tool crawl beast. You have to put the URL in here and create an audit with this. It scans your website completely free and find out all the technical issues and on-page issues. You can check out whether your crawled not currently indexed pages are have any technical issues in them. Now let's view the results. So here you will find if there are any indexing issues, and you can also find orphan pages that Google is most likely including in the Google crawled but not currently indexed pages, and you can fix these issues.